So it's 7:40 a.m., which is a bit earlier than I normally wake up, but I had a client call early yesterday who's a UK client, so because of that I had to be up earlier, and then naturally today I've just woken up earlier, but I'm a bit tired because I stayed up late last night. Anyway, the first thing I do to start the day is I down one of these. I would then normally go for a 20-minute run or walk, but because I'm flying at lunchtime, I'm gonna skip that today, and I'm gonna skip the shower as well, and I'm just gonna go to the gym early after a little bit of work, and then we'll get showered and all that afterwards. Okay, we're ready to start work. So I have my little workstation here. I personally don't like going to cafes or co-working spaces because I'm just not as productive. I'd rather be super productive in the zone and get all the work done in a couple hours and then have more of the day. So the first thing is the phone is off, and I'll go put it somewhere out of sight, so it's outside, out of mind, and doesn't distract me. The next thing I do before I do anything is I get this book here and I will plan my day. So I'm gonna do that now, jump on the computer, and then start doing some work. It's now just after 10 a.m. I've done 2 hours of work. Because I've been filming, it's taken a little bit longer than expected. So I think I'm gonna have to sack the gym because I need to order my Uber now for just before 11 in order to get to the airport in time. The flight is at 1 p.m. Instead of the gym, I think I'm gonna go for a quick power walk, just like 20 minutes, pack up the rest of my stuff, you know, the electronic stuff, and then head to the airport. Okay, so I'm just out on my walk at the moment. Probably got like 10 minutes left and then I have to get the Uber. I mean, to some people this might seem super stressful, you know, cutting it fine, trying to do everything in the morning, and they maybe rather just have a relaxing day. But for me, I think it's the best way of doing it. I mean, even like when I was younger, I had a bit of anxiety, early 20s, and I actively forced myself to be late and cut it fine for things, especially the airports. I was working up in Scotland but living in England, and I'd travel every week up. Had to be up at 4 a.m. to get a flight at 7. In doing that, I mean, it was super stressful. Every time my anxiety was going wild, but it actually in the long run helped because I was kind of pushing that barrier all the time. And after a while, like, it just became normal, and you realize as well that, you know, it doesn't matter if you miss the flight, nothing bad happens, it's just money, it's just time, whatever. So now I don't care, like I keep chilled all the time. There's always another one, but I'm not trying to miss the flight. Alright, I made it to the airport. It's about 11:30, so we've got plenty of time. I'm gonna go check in, go for security, do a bit of work, and then I might also get some food. You're probably thinking this guy hasn't eaten anything. It's true, but it's normal. I normally intermittent fast, so I don't eat until 2 p.m. But as the flight leaves at 1, I'll get something and then we'll go. Okay, so that ended up taking fucking ages. So I'm just getting a quick bite to eat. Oh, that's a drink, a sandwich as well. They've basically started boarding the plane, and I've just arrived, so I'll get this, eat it while I wait, and then get on the plane last. It's 20 minutes to get to the city center. Alright, so I finally made it to Cancun. It is about 6:30 p.m. for the local time. There's an hour time difference.
And my hotel is only like 5 minutes walk from the bus station. So as you can see, just walking with all the stuff. Again, the beauty of traveling light. I'm a bit hungry, so I think we're gonna wait until later for the gym. So I'll go get food first, do some more work, because I've really not done very much today. And I'm flying tomorrow, and then we'll hit the gym. Feels like I have been traveling forever. So as you can see, I have finally made it to my hotel for the night. I mean, it's all right. We'll do the job. Can do a bit of work in this tiny table for a bit. But right now, I'm gonna go get food. It may be a restaurant, it may just be the supermarket. If it's a restaurant, I'll show you. If it's the supermarket, there's probably not going to be too much to see. All right, so even though I lived in Playa for 5 months, this is really the first time I've spent any time in Cancun. So I don't know it very well, but I found this little area with people and food stalls. I mean, I have no idea where it is. I don't know if it's near the center or it's just like a random square, but it's good anyway. And then tomorrow I will do more exploring, but for now I'm gonna go in there and try and pick one that I want to eat from. They're all look the same, so it's whoever's got the best salesmanship. Okay, as always, we've got a big feast. So this is called kemiso. It's basically arrachera, some onions, some peppers, some mushrooms, and then I added some stuff as well and some spicy sauce. We've got a classic guacamole as always, and then I got a big horchata, which is basically just a super sugary, cinnamony drink. So they're quite stingy on the guac here, but it tastes super good. And then this is the main thing. Some guy's singing as well. You can see it's all cheesy Mexican cheese. Like, I was needing some vegetables today, and this has got plenty of them, so I am pretty happy. So I'm gonna enjoy this and get back to you in a bit. And we are done. Mexican guacamole, literally the best guacamole you'll ever have in your life. Every single place. Gym time, so I'm changed. The thing is apparently 100 meters away.
Hundreds, tens and 20s and hundreds, tens and 20s and thousands. I can't ever just loud them. On Mount Everest shouting, soon go back to the mountains. Third album, nigga, I blessed the beat with smoke. And my day one bros, they kept me close.
I've come to the big supermarket, which is right beside the gym, which is perfect. And I can get something healthy before I go to bed, because today has been really non-vegetable-y, so I feel like I need it. Right guys, I think that is a wrap. So it's almost 11 p.m. here. It's 10 p.m. for me where I was before. There's an hour difference. But I'm probably just gonna go home. I might go have half an hour walk and explore, but other than that, that's pretty much the day. And if you want to see another one where I do an actual day and it's not a travel day, you can get a proper feel of what I actually do. A normal day, just leave a comment and I'll do that. So until the next one, thanks for watching.